Hi everyone! I'm going to show you how to assemble your 3D snowflake from the Hauppauge Public Library Make and Take. See in your bag that there are 6 triangles with cuts in them. So we're going to assemble each one individually and then join them all together at the end. So first you want to open your piece of paper. You're going to need Scotch tape, and you'll see there are 4 different pieces. So you're going to start in the middle, and you're just going to fold the 2 pieces together. Take a piece of tape, tape that together. Then flip it over, take the 2 pieces, bring the corners together, just a little piece of tape, and tape together. And again, flip, bring corners together, tape, and once more. So this is our first completed piece, and we're just going to keep doing that. So we included 3 different colors to give you a nice variety. So I'm going to again start from the middle, tape together, flip, okay, so now we have 6 pieces all assembled. I'm going to take 2 of the same color. I'll start with white, and I'm going to line them up like this. And again, take my tape. If you prefer, you can use glue. Some people even use staples. I'm just going to tape them together so that they go straight like that. I'm going to take my next 2, and I'm going to line it up like this. Tape. Flip over to the other side. Just tape it on. And last, could take the light blue and see, tape it right there. Take the corner. Tape it on top. So now you can see it's lining up pretty well, but it's going to slump if you hold it up. So you're going to take the 2, and where the X is, you're just going to tape these 2 together. And so I'm going to go around, just line that up. Oops. And there we go. Beautiful. Oops. There we go. Beautiful 3D snowflake.